Flowers is a song by American singer Miley Cyrus. It was released on 12th of January 2023 through Columbia Records as the lead single from Cyrus' 8th studio album Endless Summer Vacation. The song was a massive commercial success, setting several records and becoming Cyrus' biggest hit. It broke the records as the most streamed song in a week on Spotify during both its first and second week, and broke the records as the fastest song in Spotify history to surpass 1 billion streams, doing so in 112 days. It debuted atop the Billboard Global 200 chart and reached number 1 in 35 countries, including the United States and the United Kingdom. Production and release. Flowers was written by Miley Cyrus, Gregory Hine and Michael Pollack in January 2022 in Sunset Sound Record Studio in Hollywood, California. Pollack said, "We started with the chorus and if I remember correctly, the lyrics, melody and progression started to form simultaneously. It's one of those circle of fifths songs where the melody informs the progression and vice versa. It practically wrote itself. The initial demo version of the song was a stripped back ballad, only consisting the Cyrus singing and Pollack playing the Rhodes piano. Then it evolved into the up-tempo song. Its final version was produced by Tyler Johnson and Kid Harpoon. On 31st of December 2022, while hosting her NBC Live special Miley's New Year's Eve party, Cyrus announced Flowers would be released simultaneously in all markets on 13th January 2023. The song was released on January 13th at UTC plus 000, which was till January 12 in some parts of the world. The demo version of the song was released digitally on 3rd of March 2023. It was also included on the digital version of Endless Summer Vacation album. Composition. Flowers is a pop song with disco and funk influences. Anagaka of Pitchfork described it as a twangy disco funk song with a string section reminiscent of flamenco. Gabriela Sanchez of Yahoo said, "A funky bass line guides the song, paired with a soothing string line and fizzy cymbals. There is a rocky of consequence through that Cyrus' raspy vocal offered an edge to the disco-toned anthem, and that the song interpolated Glory Gaynor's I Will Survive, 1978. She further opined that Flowers sounds like if a hazy, peaceful California tone of Malibu were to be applied to a dance pop track. Critical receptions. Flowers received favorable reviews from music critics, with many complimenting Cyrus's vocal delivery. According to Billboard's Jason Lipschutz, the single is not a full-blown reinvention for Cyrus, but sturdy, humble pop, and it captivates without bells or whistles. The New York Times' Lindsay Zola described the song as a breezy and opined that the relatively subdued chorus melody may not demand much of Cyrus, but her vocals are imbued with a laid-back maturity and convincing self-assurance. Consequences Mary Cherokee was appreciative of the song and Cyrus, writing that the singer has played with genre extensively throughout her career, and it's probably because her voice just sounds good in every single one of them. She went on to add to the praise, stating that once the chorus hits, she arrives at the conclusion that everything is going to be okay, and there is even a strong chance she'll be better off going forward. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own hand. Yeah, I can love me better than you can." She also gave the song their Song of the Week status. Music video. The 12th of January 2023 release of the single Flowers was accomplished by its music video. It was directed by Jacob Bixman with cinematography by Michael Rev. The video's opening uses panorama view footage of Los Angeles above the downtown skyline. Cyrus enters by strutting across a bridge in a leisure park. Work classified Cyrus dressed in vintage gold lame gown from the Yves Saint Laurent's Autumn/Winter 1991-92 collection, accessorized with squares and Laurent sunglasses, noting that somewhere in the metaphorical vintage Hall of Fame, a second life surviving in affixing a plaque with Miley Cyrus's name to the wall. Hello reported that her black underwear has generated trending online searches for black lingerie sets, with search number increasing 413% following the release of the Flowers music video on 13th January 2023.